Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. I'm here with my daughter Sangeetha.
Hi.
And today we are going to see whether my homemade frappes taste better than Starbucks. The other day my daughter LAKSHMI wanted to go to Starbucks, but I said no, I'll make you a frappe at home. And she thought it was better than Starbucks. So let's see what Sangeetha thinks.
Okay, well that'll be good because I go to Starbucks every so often. It'd be good to see the difference.
And as you know, it's very easy to make these at home.
Yeah.
And obviously I have used healthy ingredients.
Yeah.
Which you may find that Starbucks is not as healthy.
Yeah.
And probably higher in sugar. And as we are vegans, we've got Starbucks with almond milk and plant-based cream, which they just brought out recently. So we can compare it to my whipped coconut cream as well.
So it's pretty much like an exact comparison.
Yeah,
almost.
almost. I've got a chai frappe here and my famous masala chai frappe. And we also have a dark mocha frappe, and I've made my dark mocha frappe. So maybe we should try this plant-based cream.
Okay.
Because I haven't tried it before.
Yeah, I haven't tried it yet either.
It just tastes like sugar and chemicals to me.
It kind of tastes like a marshmallow.
Yeah, it does actually taste a bit like a marshmallow. Artificial taste.
Yeah, it's a bit airy, kind of like whipped cream. And it's got a little bit of an aftertaste that lingers on your tongue.
Yeah, that is all those chemicals they've put in there. So let's try my whipped coconut cream. Well, I personally think that's better. What about you?
It's a lot more of a fuller flavour, so it doesn't taste like airy like the Starbucks one does.
Yeah.
More indulgent at the same time.
Yeah, you're right, it does.
So is it actually, it's healthier than the Starbucks
Oh
cream?
yeah, well honestly, I don't know what's in it, but that tastes like it's mostly made of sugar with chemicals added, whereas mine is just full fat coconut cream with a little maple syrup and a little vanilla added. It obviously is a lot richer, but it is better for your health overall.
But it is good that they have come out with a plant-based alternative.
Yeah, I'm actually happy that they have, so that vegans can get that if they want. Starbucks chai frappe. I find that very sweet. Let's see what you think.
See, like, I don't find it super sweet because I have these sometimes.
Yeah, whereas I really don't have them very often. And again, it has a slight artificialness about it.
Yeah.
You compare mine and just see what you think. I can taste the spices.
Yeah, well, see, that's the difference. See, I don't find the Starbucks one super sweet, but definitely when it comes to the spices, it's not like a strong flavour. It came out of a packet flavour.
Yeah, that's true.
Whereas your one, it's like you're getting the actual spices that are in there.
Yeah, because obviously, you know, I've used the whole spices and boiled them in water to infuse the flavour in there.
So it's a lot more authentic.
I mean, this is like, let's see.
It's just the flavour's a lot more toned down.
Yeah. I think talking about COVID, the spices in here actually will help boost your immunity. So if you want a drink that is more beneficial, I would go with the homemade one. We might move on to the mocha frappe now.
Well, this is one you get.
Yeah, whenever I go to Starbucks, I always get the mocha. But I just want to see the comparison, whether this one is sweeter and more artificial taste. And they've put chocolate sauce on theirs, which I've also done. Again, it's sort of sickly sweet.
It tastes like sugar syrup.
Yeah. So we'll taste mine. And mine is obviously real vegan dark chocolate.
Well, it definitely tastes more like chocolate.
Yeah, obviously
like breaking a
it is
piece of chocolate.
Obviously, I know this is probably costs a bit more, but it's a lot better for you. Once again, as you said, it tastes like chocolate, not like sugar syrup. I don't mind that so much. It's not as sweet as the chai.
I think it's not as sweet because of the coffee in there.
Yeah.
Because obviously it's Starbucks, which is like a coffee place, obviously.
Yeah.
The coffee flavour is quite strong and it's quite good.
It is a nice coffee taste, you're right. Although it's sweet, it's not as sweet as a chai, is it?
No,
like you said, the coffee balances it, I think.
Yeah.
Which is probably why this is the one drink I really like when I go to Starbucks. It has that nice balance. So we'll just test mine now.
It is pretty similar. Kind of tastes like if the Starbucks one didn't have that sickly sweet chocolate in there.
And I think mine is a little less sweet too. I've only put a very, very small amount of sugar in that actually. So what's the verdict?
Well, I think if you can make it at home, it is good to do. And you said it doesn't take too long.
Yeah, honestly, if you just have the ingredients, it's a simple ingredients, just coconut cream, which you can make into ice cubes, your almond milk, and like the coffee powder, cow powder, a few spices. That's all it is.
Just a lot more flavorful than the Starbucks one. And so you can buy ingredients in bulk, and so it's going to probably work out a lot cheaper than buying Starbucks every day.
And I'm sure it's much better for your health in general. I mean, this is okay occasionally. If you really want to drink these things more often, you're probably a lot better off making them yourself. So, cheers.
Cheers. Go and make one at home.
Go for it. My recipes are on YouTube. So we have a Mocha Frappe and a Masala Chai Frappe recipe. So check those out. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.